Hello, Tita. This is your topic. Pay attention. The pronunciation. Robotic surgery. They are medical devices that operate similar to laparoscopic equipment, only in this case the surgery is facilitated by the use of machines, which minimizes the natural movements of the surgeons, obtaining great precision and vision. In Germany, endoscopic colon surgery has been developed. Virtual reality in medicine. They are devices capable of generating real-time representation adapted to reality. They allow the user of the team to reality feel in another reality, even though he is only part of a perceptive illusion. They are of height utility in medicine, especially in practice. In this order they are used as simulators of medical procedures, so that the student can perform surgical procedures such as scans, endoscopies, catheterizations, and more. The patient is virtual, therefore there is no real possible image. They are also extremely useful for the treatment of some physiological diseases such as phobias. The patient is immersed in a virtual reality that exposes him to his phobic elements in order that he can adapt to his stressor and overcome the pathological process. PET and SPEC. These imaging techniques are based on the use of gamma rays. The patient is given a radiopharmaceutical drugs and veins in and the electronic equipment detects the radiation in emitting a three-dimensional image of the organism. Therefore, it is very useful in the detection of foci, of abnormal cell growth, and is also extremely useful in predicting the response to treatment. Okay,